Okay, as a follow-up to the last video, I just want to show you how I would continue to do a micro UI adjustment. And I'm going to do this time, I'm not going to use the screenshot, but I'm just going to try to explain. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to explain, just try to be crisp with my explanation. And then we're going to track and see how much it costs. And again, I don't have that much experience. Someone who understands the lingo of what the what's being done, like the UI lingo, the design, you can save a lot of money because you can tell the AI exactly what it needs to hear versus it having to figure out. And it's smart enough that it can figure out, but it costs money. So here we go. This is what it produced. Now, when I click on use my location, I'm using a VPN. I'm just going to click on that. But after my location's been set, I'm supposed to confirm my location, but I just don't feel like that this gives me the confidence to do that, because I feel like some users will feel like clicking this use my location again, right? Because they'll be like, okay, I clicked on, yep, that's my location. And they're going to click on use my location. And it's just going to happen like that again. And I want to save as many wasted clicks as possible. Like when the location is already being used, can you update your location? Yeah. And maybe that's what this should say, is change use my location to update my location. But then what I want is I want this confirm location just to be a little bit more like this is what you're supposed to do next. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try to convey. I'm going to say after use my location is pressed, change the use my location to update my location, and change from a solid red to a less obvious option. And then confirm my location should be more obvious. Yes. Green? Question mark? No, I'm just gonna say green likely. Green. I mean, give a question, it's gonna ask me a question again. So what I try to do here now, I'm gonna go back over to my OpenClaw. I'm gonna refresh. We're at 118. We have other stuff going, okay? So I'm just trying to be as current as I can. So we're at 118. I'm going to click on go, and we're just going to watch it live. It's going to this should turn green. This right here, because I'm at this stage of the game, that's what's so cool about this, is it just changes it like at the stage you're at. So nothing should really change. Sometimes it's going to refresh and I'm going to have to add a pin and get back to the stage of the process, which is fine. I can handle that. But let's check out what's going to happen here right in front of us. And again, like this, I mean, this is a $5 change just to change a color. I would argue it's going to cost me significantly more to try to convey that, to make sure it's done properly. The amount of intelligence that goes into changing that button, to making sure that it's, it's appropriate, the right color, that it's accessible, that sort of thing. It goes through all of our requirements for Map.ca, and it makes it into a good button. So update my location now. Now someone has set their location, and now they have the confidence to move forward with the confirm my location. And what's going to happen, even before this is live, it knows what to do. It's going to bring me down to where I can add my pin. And I'm working on this UI. This doesn't make me happy right now. You're not supposed to see this, but that's the idea. Okay, cheers. Thank you.